In today's module, we are going to learn about the conceptualizing globalization, solids to liquids and flows. There are some important concepts which need to be understood. Solidity, that means people, things, information, and places harden over time and therefore have limited mobility. Solidity describes a world in which barriers exist and are erected to prevent the free movement of all sorts of things. That I earlier mentioned that how there are different implications for the people of developing world as compared to the developed world. It was the nation state that was most likely to create these solid barriers. For example, walls, the Great Wall of China, the wall between Israel and the West Bank, border gates, and guards. And recently, since 2017 to date, we are also constructing, there is a fence between Pakistan and Afghanistan boundaries. And the state itself grew increasingly solid as it resisted change. Flows. The movement of people, things, information, and places due in part to the increasing porosity of global barriers because so much of the world has melted or is in the process of melting and has become liquefied. Globalization is increasingly characterized by great flows of increasing liquid phenomena of all types, including people, objects, information, decisions, places, and so on. Liquidity of new age. Liquidity. The increasing ease of movement of people, things, information, and places in the global age. Liquid phenomena fix neither space nor time. That which is liquid is, by definition, opposed to any kind of fixity, be it special or temporal. Now, the question is, does liquidity exist everywhere? Even though liquidity was increased, but solid structures survive in contemporary world. The most prominent example of solid structure is nation state. This is how the phenomenon of globalization making our life more complex, more intricate, I would say. क्योंकि जैसे जैसे हम समझते हैं कि हम 21वीं सदी में आकर ज़्यादा जिद्दत पसंद हो गए हैं, उसके साथ साथ हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि हमारे जितने इर्द गिर्द का जो माहौल है वो देखने में बहुत तकनीकी एतबार से सोफिस्टिकेटेड है या वो बहुत ज़्यादा साइंटिफिकली एडवांस्ड है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि इंडिविजुअल्स की जो एसेट्स हैं उनको मोर दे आर मोर प्रोन टू हैविंग दैट स्टेट इन विच दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग दैट दे आर देयर ओन, क्योंकि उनको किसी वक्त भी वो अपने फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस की वजह से बेचने पड़ सकते हैं, देने पड़ सकते हैं किसी और को। तो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है उनकी सेविंग्स और उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। कोई नहीं कह सकता कि हाउ एनी लीडर of the modern sovereign state system is going to react in international environment and can spoil the whole phenomenon, the whole piece. As you know that how being a unipolar world, the United States of America used to dictate its terms in the last decade. So in such precarious situation, it seems that when we are conceptualizing solids to liquids and flows, it becomes very difficult to predict any final thing regarding such concepts.